Walker. Welcome to my channel. We are a homeschooling family with 5 kiddos, and their ages are 12, 9, 7, 5, and 2.5. And today I am so excited to talk to you about IQ Weather. And this is part of Timberdoodle. They offer IQ Weather's online curriculum for obviously weather. And it is for 5th grade and plus, but we use it as a family subject. And so I have a 6th grader, 4th grader, 2nd grader, and a kindergartner, and my 2.5-year-old. So we basically just use it for the little kiddos to just kind of come along for the ride. Anyway, welcome to my channel and let's get started. So IQ Weather has an awesome online platform. They have about 20 different lessons on there. Lessons 1 through 3 is a tab, then 4 through whatever, and so on all the way up to 20. And then they also have experiments. And what I really love is that their videos are really fun. They're engaging. They really kind of make it sort of, I know some of the science videos that we've seen are just kind of boring, honestly. And so I really like that they're really captivating. They make everything really visual with their charts and graphs and their different images. For instance, we were learning about seasons and the axes and the earth and the sun and the moon and all that wonderful good stuff. And so it was fun to kind of do the experiment and watch the video on there. And it was really awesome for the kiddos. Anyway, so in my planner, I keep all of my family subjects. And so I just obviously hole punch it, and then I put in the different lessons that we're doing. And this is what from lesson 1 that we did. So it comes with a teacher's guide on there that you can just download. I like to print things off because I'd like to kind of have it and then check off what we're doing. And then I will sometimes pass it around the table for the kiddos to read the different facts that they have here. And then it also comes with the video course. And so here they have a lesson plan. They have some discussion questions. And then they have what you should talk about before the actual video. And I really like the questions because they're really engaging. They're not just like, closed of like, yes or no. They're really open-ended questions. And then they have what to discuss after the video. And then they have vocabulary. And so what I do with my kiddos is we got them these little, I think it's from Amazon, it's like a pack of like 40 or something like that. So they, on the first day of a subject, they basically decorate their journal. And then my 6th grader is getting older, so you can see she just doesn't want to decorate as much. And then what we do is we go over the different definitions and kind of like what we're supposed to be doing. And so for lesson 1, we basically have them do all the vocabulary. I have them, write it out or even draw it out. And this is the one that lesson we did about atmosphere. And then let's see what Ada did, because I have them. And so for lesson 1, I printed out the definitions and then had them cut and paste them. And then here is just like kind of journaling, notebooking, what they're doing. And then the last one that I really enjoyed, here's the axes and the seasons here. And so for my 2nd grader, this is obviously not for 2nd graders, but he's still able to kind of, narrate what he's learning, which is really nice. And so I just have him kind of journal and do one of the definitions and then kind of draw what he remembers from the video. And so some of the lessons that they talk about, I have my notes over here. There's weather and climate, there's the atmosphere, there's air and wind, there's seasons, there's TV weather, there's a lesson about tornadoes, hurricanes, and different kinds of clouds and storm chasers and all these awesome, wonderful things. And this isn't something necessarily that I would go out and kind of find on my own. So I'm really glad Timberdoodle offered me this curriculum to review and to use for my kiddos. And I was like, yes, this is so awesome. Because it's super interactive. Okay, so I have a screenshot that I have, I have a screen recording that I have, but basically the lessons, and I'm just gonna hold my laptop up in case my recording doesn't come through, is like so. And then so what we do is we go over this part here, the very top part, and then I go into the questions that they have there. I go into the lesson resource that I showed you before, and then we watch the video. And then at the very end, they end it with a quiz. And what I don't like about this is we actually did quizzes 1 through 5, I believe, but it didn't save it. So I don't know if I'm doing something wrong on my end. But other than that, I really, really like this course. It's really easy to use. It's user friendly. It's engaging. The website's not, cumbersome. And they even have the experiments here listed on the right-hand side of the bottom tab. And so there's videos to go with each of the experiments, and then it even tells you which lesson it goes to, which is really nice. And the experiments are supplementary to your actual lesson, so you still get a lot out of the video and the questions before the video, the quiz, and the vocabulary, which is really, really cool. And it's kind of fun to talk about the weather in an educational sort of way around a table with your kiddos about, how does the weather really affect our daily lives? How did it affect it 100 years ago, compared to now, and how we travel and all these other things. But check it out, you guys. If you haven't already liked and subscribed to this channel, please do so. Oh, and one more thing on the lesson plan that they have here. After the vocabulary, they normally have some different resources at the end for you if you want to kind of dig deeper or figure out some more stuff. So we actually go on there and click on the things and kind of skim through it. I know that the reading is kind of above our grade level for second and fourth grade, but it is definitely okay for a sixth grader. And the lessons take for us about 20-ish minutes because I like to read through everything, talk about it. We spend about 5 minutes talking about it, and then going over the vocabulary, and then journaling takes about 10 minutes. The video itself, all of them have been around actually under 5 minutes or just a little bit above 5 minutes, so it's not too bad. I think it's a perfect family subject if you have, multiple grades or what have you, or if you were just to do it individually for a 5th or 6th or 7th grader, that would be fine too. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.